How to send bulk messages on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you how to send WhatsApp bulk messages. Before proceeding, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with WhatsApp's terms and policies regarding bulk messaging to ensure compliance and avoid the risk of being banned or restricted. First, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Locate and click on the three dots at the top right-hand corner of the app interface. Select the option to create broadcast list. This allows you to choose the audience you wish to send your bulk message to. Remember, WhatsApp limits broadcast messages to a maximum of 256 recipients at a time. After setting up your broadcast list, type out your message. Click the Send button to distribute your message to the selected recipients. If you found this how to send bulk messages on WhatsApp video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.